Listen, listen. I can count the number of black folk who live within a 100-kilometer radius of my home on one hand and still have fingers to spare. I found myself rather desperate to know if black folk like me, tucked away in rural settings, even existed. I had over 40 conversations and spent hours and hours listening to their stories of joy and sorrow, outrage and wonder, all the while struggling to make sense of my own.
I was in this middle space where I was too black to be white, and then I worked so hard to be white that I was too white to be black.
My desiring to bask in my skin and enjoy its sensuousness and its practicality.
All I've ever known in my life is to be black and rural.